Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this IKEA A19 shape 1.1 watt filament LED bulb. I picked this up with a clip lamp a little while back and never got around to making a video of it. It's a nice little accent style bulb, and I do like the design that IKEA uses for their filament LED bulbs. They got the filaments out at an angle. They got them facing, the right ways. They don't have them just whatever. They take a little bit of care into actually putting these together nicely. Now, this is a really nice dim one. It's only 150 lumens. It's 2200K. So it works out really well as kind of like a 15 or 25 watt incandescent equivalent. Not too much information stamped on it other than the real basic stuff that you would find on any bulb, all the information we've already gone over, and then some. Nothing too crazy, really. So, let's go ahead and get this into our socket here. Oh, it's already on for us. What do you know? Yeah, it's a very nice dim bulb. It's not too hard to look at. It would definitely be a lot better if it was in a fixture, like the clip light that I got it in. But I wouldn't use it so much as just a naked accent lamp. It's a little bit harsh. I'm not a big fan of glary bulbs in fixtures that, don't have an opaque globe or something on them. So this works really well in, some type of accent lamp with a globe on it. Either way, we're at 118 or 119 volts, excuse me. 0.01 amps. 1.1 watts, they're right on the dot, and a power factor of 0.66. Let's go ahead and turn off our lights here, and I'm going to hold it up with the two filaments facing down, and it lights things up nicely. Now you can tell right there that dark band is where we just have a single filament, because there's not much light there naturally. It's only facing out the two directions. Okay. With it at our 2-foot mark here, we're getting about 34 lux on the meter. And let's go ahead and try it on our spectrometer here. And let's save that and take a look at it. The spectrum of the bulb at full brightness, and the CRI of the bulb at full brightness. Beautiful dim accent light. Let's go ahead and move it on over to our Variac here so that we can dim it down and see how well it handles that. Turn that back off. Oh, we're getting some preheat action there. Okay, so we're at 120 on our Variac here. Let's start dimming it down. 110, 100. Oh, it has a very steep cutoff there. We're at like 90 and it's almost out. Yeah, 90, that's 90 volts right there. Yeah, it's not very dimmer friendly, or at least voltage friendly. They were at least smart enough to put the side that the LEDs are on facing two different directions. A lot of companies won't even pay attention. They'll put them both facing the same direction. So that's nice. At least they were thinking about it. You can see all the little individual dots there. Well, I guess it's kind of hard to see for you. But those are all the individual LEDs on the filament. And then, of course, it's coated in a phosphor coating there to give us the wonderful warm light color. And lastly, what I should have done before we moved on over to the Variac here is try it on an incandescent dimmer to just see how it plays with that. So let's put in our little adapter here. And let's see. Oh boy. Well, it's not picking it up on camera, which is good, but this thing is flickering really badly. Yeah, it does not like this dimmer at all. So good thing it doesn't really pick that up on camera, or maybe I had to cut it out because it was flickering incredibly bad. Yeah, this does not play well with this dimmer at all. Yeah, no, that's not good on that dimmer. It flickers way too bad. So there we go. Our IKEA Accent 1.1 watt filament LED bulb. Nice little bulb here. As always, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, be sure to give it a like down below and leave a comment. I do enjoy reading all of your comments. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this one. Also check out my secondary channel Merkove and subscribe over there for more behind the scenes and alternative content. Of course, check out the other videos here on this screen, and as always, thank you very much for watching.